It's not like I think I'm special or anything. It's weird. There's something on the bottom of their shoe. So not fair. It's like, I walk down the street, and if I see someone I know from school or something, across the road, sniggering and looking down their noses at me, because they think they're better than me, but they're not. So mostly I skip school and come here, to my park. No one comes here anymore. And the beauty of it, it's so overgrown and natural and, well, free. I can do what I like pretty much. Bring some food from the corner shop and forge a note to school for my stepdad. I don't ever get lonely. So just lie in its grass and watch the world go by. I love playing that game. You know, the one where you lie on your back and the clouds make pictures. Like a boat, or a tree, or a fish swimming through all that blue.